All right, tonight we got a couple of ribeyes. All right, I hope everybody had a good day. I just got done. It's like 8 o'clock at night, and I'm making steaks, and that's just the way it goes sometimes. You know what I mean? Come home late, you got to do what you got to do, right? Anyway, I'm making a couple of ribeyes, but it's not about making the ribeyes. All right, it's about the sauce. I'm going to show you the sauce. It's excellent. It's unbelievable. I can't even tell you. I'm going to show you. Give me a minute. Salt and pepper. Always a little bit of salt and pepper. Very little bit of salt. Okay. Very little salt. And we got the pepper. Got to rub the salt and pepper into the steak everywhere. Okay. Rub it in. A little bit of pepper. And that's it. And rub it in, baby. Rub it in. Never have enough pepper. Massage that steak with the salt and pepper. Anyway. What else we got in there? We're going to get this for the pan when we're ready. Just to spray on there. I need a little olive oil. Very little. You don't need a lot. And I'm going to mix. I really have something, huh? Okay. Now the key thing is making the sauce. All right? For the steak. What I got in here, all right, is basically cayenne pepper, onions, peppers, garlic, cayenne pepper, and a lemon, all right? And it's all mashed up. I drink the juice. I squeeze it, I mash it, I squeeze the juice out of it, and then I save this and I cook with it. It's amazing. Margie, where'd you go? All right. Then over here we got rosemary. All right, rosemary. You need the rosemary in there. Very special to have the rosemary in there. Okay. A little rosemary. Got the rosemary in there. And what else am I missing? Oh, yeah, we got to put the butter in there. Can't forget about the butter. Where's the butter? Put a nice little hunk of butter in there. Not too much. But you need a little bit because you got to, I'll show you what I do with the steak. Let me throw this hunk in there. Should be enough. Steaks are ready. We'll let the sauce go. It's just sweet potatoes on there, that's it. I'm going to take you over to the grill so you can watch. All right, I'll take you over there so you can watch it. All right. Right here. Let me get you down a little bit so you can sit here and watch. The sweet potato, let me get the light over here too. There we go. We got the light, we got the sweet potatoes, we got this going over here with the rosemary and everything else. Keep this on real low. Might have to put the other hunk of butter in there. So really a half a stick, not even a half a stick of butter. Throw it in there, don't worry about it. It's actually good for you. They used to say butter is bad for you, now it's good for you. Everything that used to be bad is now good. How's that? I don't know. Go figure, right? Look at that sauce, looks amazing already. See this right here? This here is the juice. I do like 2 shots of this in the morning. This is basically the juice that I strain from the garlic, the onion, the lime, ginger in there as well. I grind it, I add water, and then I strain it, and I take like 2 shots of this in the morning. Let me tell you something. Get you pumped, baby. Get you pumped up. You don't get juicy like this for nothing. It's just starting to melt nice. Look at that sauce, huh? See that sauce? Can you see it or no? You see it? Beautiful, huh? Love it. It's all about the rosemary. You know, in Italy, in a part of Naples, they use the old guys over there. They use a lot of rosemary, right? Because they say it's like almost like a form of Viagra. And at 80, 90 years old, they're very horny. That's what I heard. I don't know. Just saying. Whatever. Just let it go. Let it go. Sauce is amazing. The smell is amazing. It is amazing, the smell. Truly amazing. Mwah. Got to get some music in the game here. When you slice the sweet potatoes real thin on that amazing slicer, they're all even, so they cook pretty quick, like minutes. Versus trying to cook them whole, you know what I mean? It takes forever. Oh, baby, look at that smell. It's all about the sauce, baby. It's all about the sauce, baby. And of course, olive oil on the potatoes. That's a must. Extra virgin, baby. Always extra virgin olive oil on everything. See, when I cook, I basically just cook out of, out of the moment. You know what I mean? I don't, whatever ingredients, you know what I mean? I just throw it in there. But it's all basically the same. Oregano, salt, pepper. I don't use anything crazy. I don't use all this crazy sauces. No. I cook very simple. I make my own sauces. And that's the way I like to keep it simple. All right? My cholesterol is good. Everything's good. Follow the diet, baby. Follow the diet. Again, in the sauce, butter, olive oil, garlic, onions, olive oil. I put a little salt and pepper on the steak. I don't like everything too salty, you know what I mean? And I like my steak medium. This is almost done. I could actually shut it off. I'll let it cook a little more, and I throw it in the sauce and let it cook in the sauce, and it's all done. Then I show you a nice sauce. How you doing, huh? You know, I like ribeyes. I don't know about anybody else, but ribeyes to me are amazing. The ribeyes got enough fat in there to where it just melts in there and gives it the flavor you want. You know what I mean? You always want the fat from the meat to cook to give it the flavor. You know what I mean? A steak with no fat to me is like, I don't know. Just don't like it. Doesn't have any taste really like the taste that I like anyway. And nowadays they say fat on a steak is good for you, so eat it. Amazing, this little pan here. It's amazing. This is an amazing pan too. They're amazing pan. Listen now, when I advertise something, I'm going to tell you right now, I only advertise the best. All right, I don't advertise anything that's faulty, not good. I don't like to do that because I don't want people saying that's junk, this is junk. No, I don't like that. If I advertise something, it's good. And if I don't like it and I see it on my thing and I don't know what's there, I have them take it down. That's how I roll. All right. Now you also want this juice steak in there. Yummy, baby, yummy. Flip it. It's gonna be good. You let it boil a little bit in that sauce for about 5-10 minutes. The best sauce you're ever gonna have. It's gonna be amazing. Amazing. I'm gonna put it up a little high right now. I want it to give it a quick boil. Let the flavor all get into that meat with that onion, garlic, and all the nice flavors and the sauce there. And then I take it out with the rosemary and everything, and I'm gonna lay it on a plate, baby. I'll lay it right on a plate for you. Show you how it's done. Amazing. Almost done. We're done. Ooh. How's that, baby? Huh? Nice, simple dish. I gotta, you know what? I gotta taste the steak in front of you. I gotta tell you right away if it's good or not. If it don't taste good, I'll let you know. Look at the rosemary. Yeah, beautiful, the rosemary. Let me have a little bit. Maybe I'll make my girlfriend happy tonight. I'll burn my mouth over there. Amazing. Amazing. Wow. Amazing. I'm not kidding you either. It is amazing. All right. Bon appetit. See you next time.